So keep it aligned. And even the pages were wrongly made. The PDF was made, but it was wrong. Like after first page, it is the third page, then it is the fifth page, then the second page, right? So this time I tried finding out, and I haven't deducted marks. Next time, if I see such kind of PDFs, I am directly giving 0 with the comment that this was not an appropriate version of it. Okay. I hope these things are clear, but rest I don't remember much of the. And those who have got their answers wrong, please retry and redo. Any concept clarity you need, any portion anywhere you are stuck, please tell me. I'd help. Fine, let's move on. So we'll have few questions today, nothing new that we are going to do. So is the book visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So do the 44th question. Now, till now, what I have given you, I have given you the equation and you had to solve for x, y, and z and everything. Now it is word problems. So do it. And give the equation in the chat box. Point it to everyone. First one is pretty easy, but still I thought let's do it. The above table gives the price per share of two companies A and B during the month of January and February, and it also gives the amount in rupees invested by X during these 2 months for the purchase of shares of the two companies. Find the proportion of shares of A and B during both the months. X has invested 10 shares in A and 5 shares in B in the month of January, and total investment was 125. Yes, Krishnakant, Dhruv, right. So it is 10x plus 5y is equal to 125 and 9x plus 12y is equal to 150. Point to everyone, okay? Now use Gauss elimination method, not the normal substitution or elimination method that we had done in the last unit. Don't use that method. Use Gauss elimination method only to solve for x and y. So your matrix equation becomes okay. So your matrix equation for this question is 10 5, 9, 12, x, y is equal to 125 and 150. Right, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Your augmented matrix becomes 10, 5, 125, 9, 12, 150. Or at the first place only, you could have done this way. It would have become better. It is 10x plus 5y is equal to 125, no? So it could have been 2x plus y is equal to how much it is? 25, right? And this is 3, it will go, no? So 3x plus 4y is equal to 50. So your augmented matrix reduces to 2, 1, 25, 3, 4, 50. Now in order to do the upper triangular matrix, it is nothing. You have to make this 0. So that becomes R2 is equal to 2R2 minus 3R1. I believe people had already solved, but nobody is responding. I don't know what has happened. 0, and this is 4 to the 8. 8 minus 3, 5. And this will be how much? Not able to see. So this is 2 into 50, 100 minus how much? 75?
25.
Sorry?
25.
Yeah. So that will be 2x plus y is equal to 25 and 5y is equal to 25. This implies y is equal to 5 and 2x equal to 20, x is equal to 10. Yeah, so the answer you got is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Any problem, anyone in this question? It was easy, that is why I wasn't asking anybody. Fine. We'll move on to the next one. Is this visible right now? Question?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So to the 45th question. And give the equations in the chat box. The sum of three numbers is 20. So let the three numbers be x, y, and z. So sum of three numbers, x plus y plus z is equal to 20. If we multiply the first by 2 and add the second number and subtract the third number, that is, first number is x, so 2x plus y,
Y minus Z.
y minus z is equal to 23. And then if we multiply the first by 3 and add the second and the third, so that will be 3x plus y plus z is equal to 46.
6.
Yeah. So we have the question. You have all the three added. it is 20. Multiply the first term and subtract. This is what it was. I don't remember. It is 23 and multiply the first number by 3 and add the other two. We're getting 46, right? Okay, so I'm directly writing the augmented matrix because I hope the matrix equation is fine for everyone. May I believe it is fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me what should be the first operation, first transformation.
Ma'am,
R3 is equal to R2 is equals to R2 minus 2R1.
Okay. Okay, fine. So first step R2 minus 2R1. So that will be zero, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, 23 minus 40, right? So again it is how much? 17?
Minus 17.
Yeah.
Minus 17.
3, 1, 1, 46. Next operation.
R3 minus 3 R3 minus 3R1.
Yeah, so R3 goes to R3 minus 3R1. This reminds me of some people have written this way. Okay, don't do it because whatever changes usually we do, okay, whatever changes we want to make, we keep it at the left hand side. You remember whatever we have to find, the variables we keep on the left hand side. This is a mathematical convention. Okay. No marks deducted, but wherever I was seeing it, I was mentioning it. So that next time you don't do it. Okay. Okay, so it is 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, and this is 46 minus 60. So
Minus
how much
14.
minus 14. Next. Last, please.
R3 minus 2 R2.
R3. 3 is equal to R3 minus 2 R2.
Minus, you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
plus.
No. Minus only. This is also minus. No? So minus minus, this will become plus. R3 minus 2 R2. It was right. Okay. So first as it is. Second as it is. This is 0. This is 0. Minus 2 plus 6. So that becomes 4. And this is minus 14 plus 34. That becomes 20. So what we do, we write the equations again. So this remains same. This becomes minus y minus 3z is equal to minus 17. And this becomes 4z is equal to 20. Backward substitution, z equal to 20 by 4, we get 5. Minus y minus 15 is equal to minus 17. This implies y is equal to 2, right? Yeah. And then x plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 20. This implies x is equal to 20 minus 7, 13. So I have got x is equal to 13, y is equal to 2, and z is equal to 5. Right, everyone? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
These type of questions
ma'am.
can come in aptitude questions, like for your further examinations that you wish to do, no? These types, so this matrix solutions help rather than sitting and searching for the numbers, what can be the numbers, you can apply the formulas. Okay. Next, 46th question. In a market survey, 3 commodities X, Y, and Z were considered. In finding out the index number, some fixed weights were assigned to the 3 varieties in each of the commodities. The table below provides the information regarding the consumption of 3 commodities according to the 3 varieties and also the total weight received by the commodity. Find the weight assigned to the 3 varieties by using a determinant. Forget that. Use Gauss elimination. So this won't be your capital X, capital Y, and capital Z are the commodities, okay? What you are finding is the weight of each commodity. So let small x be the weight of the commodity capital X used in variety 1, like that. So, not in variety 1, in general. Let small x be the weight of the commodity capital X, Y be the commodity weight of commodity Y, and likewise Z. So the equation will be x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 11. What I have said is wrong. I find the weights assigned to the 3 varieties. Yeah. If I am doing 1x plus 2y plus 3z according to what I had said initially, sorry for making it a confusion, then that will be this x, y, and z are for capital X, capital Y, and capital Z. This is what I said. But no, it should be according to the varieties. So, how much weight is assigned to commodity X is small x for variety 1, and small y for variety 2, and small z for variety 3. So it is 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 21, and 3x plus 5y plus 6z equal to 27. Matrix form. So your augmented matrix for this particular question is 1, 2, 3, 11, 2, 4, 5, 21, and 3, 5, 6, and 27. Do this and tell me the answer. I'm asking to everyone, is the method clear? Is there any problem in row transformations? Rest is practice. If you have understood the concept, then it is fine. You need practice.
Please can you explain the sequence once
understood.
more? On the
Explain.
sequence- The sequence of how you're performing the
Okay, so first making an equation is fine. If equation is directly given to you, like a1 x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. So either it is given to you, or like today we are doing, we have to make the equation out of it. Then what should be the first step? First step is to write the matrix equation. First step, it is to write the matrix equation. What it will be, it is of the form Ax is equal to B, which is A1, all values of the first row will be together, first equation will be together in one single row. A2, B2, C2, D2, A3, B3, C3, D3. After you do this, after you have done this, you will be writing the augmented matrix to do the transformations. So that will be
okay, ma'am.
this. Then what you have to do is clear. You have to do the transformations so that it becomes an upper triangular matrix, that you have to perform transformations to make these values 0. Once you make these values 0, you rewrite the equation in the new form, right? So this will be something after a few transformations. After transformations, you will be getting some A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash. I'm repeating for everyone who has a problem going through the sequence, right? After you receive this, once you have done with that, you rewrite back the equation, which is A1 dash X plus B1 dash Y plus C1 dash Z is equal to D1 dash, which is usually the same one only. Many a times when you interchange the rows, it becomes different. So that is why we don't keep it same. and C3Z is equal to D3. Now what you do the backward substitution here. I hope everyone understood this. Yes. So what is the answer?
Ma'am, x is equals to
X
2,
equals to 2,
y is equals to
y
3, and z
equals
is
to
equals to
Z equals
Okay, so x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and z is equal to
1.
1. Everyone, if you haven't done, check for the answer if it is correct.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Okay. Note down the next question, like make the next equation, and then we will, like, I'll take attendance meanwhile.
Ma'am, 47th one.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think we have done enough questions, people, because today will be the last day for this unit. We'll start the new unit tomorrow.
Ma'am,
Say,
ma'am, what will be the syllabus for the exam?
syllabus as of now, we have first, second, and third unit, which was decided, but we are, Tiger, please mute. Yeah. So I don't think so I'll be able to complete whole 3 unit of all the full third unit by your exam. So it will be till what we do before your midsem. The third unit, that whatever we cover before your midsem examination starts. First, second units, so full is there, and third unit till the portion that we complete before your exam. Okay, pattern I'll tell you in a day or two. We still have to fix it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So write equations, everyone, here so that I can move on with taking attendance. Make sure you mention what your x, y, and z are in such word problems. If you are taking x, y, z wrong, meaning what you have decided, as I said, the variety. So there are chances that you write the varieties wrong, the XYZ labels wrong. So be clear what you take. So 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 29. X plus y plus 2z is equal to 13. And 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 16. Right, everyone continue and solve the answer. I'll take attendance meanwhile. Abel,
Present, ma'am.
Abhay,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Abhinav,
Present, ma'am.
Adarsh,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya,
Present, ma'am.
Ananya,
Present, ma'am.
Ankit,
Present, ma'am.
Ansh,
Present, ma'am.
Apurva,
Present, ma'am.
Arjun,
Present, ma'am.
Arka, Arshan.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Arka has given attendance.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Debositha. Dhruv,
Present, ma'am.
Divya,
Present, ma'am.
Ekansh,
Present, ma'am.
David,
Present, ma'am.
Gurjas, Haril,
Present, ma'am.
Haripriya,
Present, ma'am.
Harishankar,
Present, ma'am.
Harshita,
Present, ma'am.
Kisham,
Present, ma'am.
Krishnakant,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra,
Present, ma'am.
Love, Vasanda, Rishin,
Present, ma'am.
Asif,
Ma'am.
Nisha,
Present, ma'am.
Manit,
Present, ma'am.
Nandana,
Present, ma'am.
Nitya, Srinivasa,
Present.
Prashita,
Present, ma'am.
Prince,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Kancham,
Present, ma'am.
Ritik,
Present, ma'am.
Ritika,
Present, ma'am.
Rohan,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit,
Present, ma'am.
Saran,
Present, ma'am.
Sanskriti,
Present, ma'am.
Sarthak, Shriyal, Shruti Manjari,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Yadav, Shubhangi,
Present, ma'am.
Shuchita,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhi,
Present, ma'am.
Sucheta,
Present, ma'am.
Suhani, Gulati, Suhani Jain,
Present, ma'am.
Suraj,
Present, ma'am.
Surja,
Present, ma'am.
Ryan,
Present, ma'am.
Tanay,
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay,
Present, ma'am.
Tiger,
Present, ma'am.
Kamya,
Present, ma'am.
Vaibhav,
Present, ma'am.
Vanshika, Yash,
Present, ma'am.
Yasmin,
Present, ma'am.
Yuvan,
Present, ma'am.
Rohit, Swayam, Aryan, So the absentees are Debositha, Gurjas, Shriyal, Shruti Yadav, and Rohit Swayam Aryan. Debositha, Gurjas, Shriyal, Shruti Yadav, Rohit, Swayam Malhotra, Aryan. Okay. Everyone did?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
X equals to 2, Y equals 3, and Z equals 4.
X2, Y3, Z4. Yeah, so this was the answer. This was the answer to the next question, which is Shriyal attendance has been marked. X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 3, and Z is equal to 4, right? Okay. Again, this is the last time because then we'll start from the third unit next time. Is there any concerns regarding whatever we have done so far? You want any help from my side? Please let me know.
Ma'am, questions to solve for practice.
Questions to solve. This is the book that you should refer. I think it has sufficient exercise questions you can practice. So, yeah, that is what I'm telling you. You can give.
Ma'am,
You
which book?
can ebook. Yeah, I'll write. I always forget to give you in the Google Classroom. I'll write. You have the time. You get it downloaded. Spelling might. So this is the book that all those who are teaching business mathematics are mostly referring to. So this you can. It has a sufficient number of exercise questions to practice. You can do that. And please get back to me, and that too via mail. Okay, not through the phone, WhatsApp. Via mail, you ask, clear the doubts. I'll help you out. Fine, everyone? Because there are few who have genuinely tried and they weren't able to solve, I could see. And there are few who have copied, which is very crystal clear. But the problem is the only thing, one person cannot understand who has done on their own and others have copied. So I don't want the other persons to lose marks. So that is why I didn't deduct it. Or I'll have to deduct, and that person who has actually done by himself or herself will lose marks. Anyways, my whole purpose of this assignment was not for marking you. It was for your understanding. So if you had done it on your own, it would have been better for you. That is the only thing I would like to say. Fine, everyone. So is there any other doubt? Anything else? Fine. Then thank you for joining. Good day.